Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to sign in LinkedIn account. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up LinkedIn app. Make sure you have already downloaded LinkedIn app on your device. Next, enter your email ID. And enter your password. Next, click on sign in button. So you have successfully logged in or signed in your LinkedIn account. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.